Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can participate in our exciting incentive campaign for the testnet of our lending and borrowing platform. We'll do this using Galxe, a leading platform for managing digital credentials and web-free rewards. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so this campaign aims to reward users for helping us test our platform. By participating, you not only support the growth of our testnet, but you can also earn amazing rewards in the form of exclusive tokens and NFTs. To take part, we'll be using Galxe, a tool that makes verifying your contributions simple and easy. So first of all, you want to go to the Medium article. I'll leave the link to that article in the description of this video. So click on the article link and you'll see this article loads the PrimeFi Incentive Campaign. So scroll down and you'll see you've got a link here to launch the PrimeFi Incentives Campaign. So click on that and it will load the Galxe app. So if you can't get to it through the article, then at the top just type this into your address bar. So once the page is loaded, you will need to log in, which is basically connecting your wallet. So click the login button in the top right. And as you can see here, I've already logged in. So it's in I've already got my wallet in the recent connections list. So I can just click that. Your wallet will then load and ask you to connect to the site. If you have any problems connecting your wallet to the app, then it's probably an issue with your browser. So I use the Brave browser, and up here the little shield button, the shield was turned on, which stopped me from connecting my wallet. So I turned the shield off, and then I was easily able to connect my wallet. So if you get any issues connecting your wallet, then have a look at your browser and see what security alerts you're getting and turn them off, or do whatever your browser is asking so that you can connect your wallet to this app. Now if you're connecting for the first time, then it will look like this, and you want to select EVM network and then wallet connect or MetaMask and connect your chosen wallet. So make sure you're on the EVM network, because the network you need to connect to is Base once you get into the Galxe app. So EVM and then connect your wallet. On MetaMask, you want to add the Base mainnet. So again, when you just click select a network, you've got the additional network section, and you can easily click on Base mainnet. Just click the add button and that'll add the Base network to your wallet. Once you've gone through the login process, then it'll ask you to set up your username. So again, just create a username, and then it's going to ask you to bind your primary address. So if this is the first time you're connecting to this app, then whatever wallet you're logging in with will be your primary address. So just tick the I understand box and then click confirm. Okay, so once you're logged in, the first thing you want to do is make sure you're on the Base network. So up the top, you'll see you've got lots of different networks. So make sure you're on Base mainnet, and it will say that up the top there. Okay, so you'll see at the top here, PrimeFi Testnet Incentive Campaign. So you may as well click the follow button to give it a follow. Welcome to PrimeFi Testnet Incentive Campaign. Participate in the biggest campaign hosted by Prime Numbers Labs with a reward pool of over $100,000 worth of PrimeFi tokens. Complete all tasks as required. Follow our official channels regularly. Do not try to game the system. Good luck. So you can start looking at the tasks. So get 100 points by following PrimeFi XYZ on Twitter, and another 100 points for following Prime Numbers FI on Twitter. So when you go to do these tasks, it's likely it will say to participate in this quest, please link your Twitter. So click go now, and then it will take you to a page where you can link your social tags. So it's wise to link your Twitter account, your Discord account, and your Telegram account, and then you'll easily be able to complete the tasks on this page. So you get 100 points for following PrimeFi and Prime Numbers on Twitter, you get 150 points. For liking a Prime Numbers tweet, retweet the tweet, and quote the tweet and mention one friend. And then 50 points if you join the Prime Numbers Telegram group, 50 points for visiting the official Prime Numbers website, 50 points for visiting and joining the official Discord server, and then 300 points for referring your friends to participate in the quest. So you can literally click the share button and it will allow you to copy the link, create a QR code, or do a post on Twitter. So once you've completed all these tasks that need to be done by the 9th of December, we'll then move on to phase 2, and we'll put some more tutorials and articles out regarding that when it comes along. Now, there's no point in trying to claim your rewards yet. So as you build up your points, you'll see you've got this claim points button down the bottom. Now, to claim these points, you need some G token to pay the gas fee. So for now, you don't need to worry about claiming your points. You can just claim all your points at the end. So for now, just focus on collecting your points. Right folks, that wraps up this tutorial. So hopefully you're a bit more clued up about how to participate in the current incentive campaign. So make sure you're following us on all of our socials, which are on the screen right now, and I'll catch you in the next video.